Yep, that's pretty much how I imagine my grass feels in the summer, like it's at war. I mean, we're up against scorching heat, disease pressure, and all kinds of pests that just won't back down. So we have to suit up. What I'm gonna do is arm you with some ammunition to help you win the summer lawn battle. Not promising miracles here, just 5 great tips that will definitely make a difference. All right, so let's talk defensive strategy. Tip number 1, water wisely. When the heat is on, your lawn needs a proper watering strategy. Water deeply and infrequently, aiming for about 1.5 to 2 inches of water per week. Water in the early morning when evaporation rates are low and the grass can absorb moisture before the sun gets too hot. It's like treating your lawn to a refreshing morning spa session. Tip number 2, mow smart. Giving your lawn a trim is more of an art than a chore. When it comes to mowing your cool season lawn in the summer, taller is better. Set the mower to the highest setting and aim to leave the grass about 3 to 4 inches tall. This will help shade the soil, reducing evaporation and promoting deeper root growth. All right, moving right along. Tip number 3, fertilize carefully. Think of fertilizer as your lawn's favorite snack. Now, I would recommend avoiding synthetic fertilizers in the summer as they can burn your lawn. Instead, opt for organic fertilizers or a low nitrogen, slow release fertilizer. Your lawn will be fed and staying strong while not pushing too much top growth. Tip number 4, prevent and treat pests. We've all had to deal with uninvited guests at some point, right? A couple years ago, I got hit by armyworms hard in a newly sodded area because it wasn't pre-treated with pesticide. Be vigilant. Keep an eye out for common lawn pests like grubs, chinch bugs, and sodworms. The damage can be devastating and quick, so if you spot any signs of infestation, treat the area with a targeted pesticide or seek help from a professional lawn care service. You have made it to the end of the video, and tip number 5, which is be patient. Your cool season lawn may not look its best during the hottest months, but it will bounce back in the fall. You just have to keep up the defenses with these basic tips. You'll likely have some battle wounds, but keep up with your lawn maintenance routine and those wounds will heal in the fall. You know what? No battle was ever won according to plan, but no battle was ever won without one. That is it. That is all.